unfair to judge Didi Dramani.
Okay.
Because to be very honest, so even some Obodo Didi Dramani, you know, had the better chances on the day. Clear cut chances. And I don't know why. The last time, so like I think about 2 or 3 weeks ago, when I said, one of the big issues of Accra folk, they say, who is she goes? But not our best player in Mauli Wayo ever second half. Rich, you've seen Mauli Wayo. In the last few games that he has played, that he has started for Accra folk, he doesn't get the goals. And meaning Mauli personally, so Bono Nyao box him about 2 or 3 of them. Quality chances, some of them, and so tapping keke na unyago. So flap chances when you know. Then the coach will be forced to start you from the bench. And I think you said something the last time. Say certain players are actually good as super subs.
I'm not on there.
Yeah, if the bench are more effective. So on starting match now. And I mean throughout the Hearts of Folk game, there were good chances. Finish off the game. What's a Kotoko? Build on that momentum.
Kotoko game is the only chance to be
yeah. Build the
momentum. Chance,
build the momentum. So share. Then closing the gap. But if you don't close in the gap now, now that is the problem. And that say if there is ever a reason why we be seeing workers and Hearts cannot win the Ghana Premier League this season, that's the reason. Because we won games there's a share. Away games are supposed to be managed, but it becomes invented. Away games now and home games we say see the trust. In this has its mission. And if it takes a Didi Dramani sorting out, Rich hasn't paid being they can't go into next season with that transfer ban albatross around their necks. Sanction any scan, whatever they have to do it and be able to go back onto the transfer market and buy players for Didi Dramani. Didi Dramani buy, you know. Now a whole normal halt purchases and after the transfer ban they buy. So they've not bought. They should be able to give the manager those things off Anyejima. And yes, baby, Hearts fans will be unhappy. And they'll begin to call for the head of Didi Dramani. It will let the cycle go on and you will elongate Hearts' process in the dungeon. That's what we're them. No more shutting your mouth and get players for Didi Dramani. Rich, you see what went, is it the best reply of Coach Prince Owusu to all critics? All the critics now?
The best. The best.
2-0.
2-0.
Flat. Yeah, and then 2-1. He has done the job. Congratulations to Kotoko. Rich, just like the kind of Hearts of Folk, say, whatever journey you are on, hitting roadblock, what you need is reaction. And Kotoko got reaction. At a venue, woman 10 years reaction, generally in the Bono region. So I'm call Makonya reaction about back, and it's good. And it's even good for Coach Prince also, especially for the run from now to the end of the season. I don't think it's a different coach ever. Never season anyway. Allow him to finish the season. Then when the season is done, management meets and they'll do a proper evaluation and re-evaluation of the whole year throughout the season and then make a proper justification as to the things that went on. Now, Bibiani Go Stars Beji and I say Medeama Beji for you.
They leave them where do.
Bibiani Go Stars Beji were all side and I say Medeama Beji.
They say 3 points and a separate you on money.
Yeah.
Medeama.
Yeah.
Which are just one game.
Yeah.
But Medeama also took on who's very good. I mean, good travelers.
Yeah. Rich, you see, the Ghana Premier League is blown wide open. I'll show you a very interesting statistics. Oko home former. Medeama the leading home form of 29 points. Bibiani Goes as the leading home form of 29 points.
So Obia all Tenefi now won a match.
Yes.
No one Shepano.
Go Stars.
Okay.
And Medeama that second with 28. Then Oko the away former Hearts of Folk won the leading. Then Medeama and that second with 17 points. Go Stars end up fifth with 13 points. So home need to consolidate and Yajia to say Ghana Premier League. It's mostly about winning your home matches. And both of them are top in winning home matches. 1 point winning. But the difference now looks like going away from home. And a Hono and a Medeama are very good, like you're saying. Omo away from home. Omo you omo nyoma yie pa. It's na ye call Abruchida. You say we are looking at the fixtures of the two sides. Medeama be boss Wedro Blacks, Obebo Hohoi, Obebo Dreams, Obebo 11 Wonders, Obebo Bechem United, Obeko Brekum. Now if you on Bibiani Go Stars on this day, for me the Ghana Premier League will be decided. Because Obet Nefi, not Bibiani Go Stars to come, both of them in the Western region. They can then after that there's Holy Stars Medeama Hearts of Lions. Then on my last game, Ombebo against Accra of Folk. Now, Bibiani Go Stars so fixtures Aka for the Ghana Premier League. we have Gold Stars across the folk next. You say as a folk are good travelers. The many Gold Stars are good at home. Gold Stars say both if you're more trying across the folk.
It will be a game.
It can go anywhere. Then they play Young Apostles, they play Vision, they play Karela. Which I think Medeama will have the edge. Especially for games which is a Karela money at the other. Which Karela I bet you know they see a two league game. Because of how they play their matches and how good they are. Baby almost that in 7th position of Ghana Premier League. And this weekend, almost against 11 Wonders game, 2-0. And I told you the coach within there, oh bunny chrome there, Obey Jumanama. Karela is in Sabi Gold Stars games name. Ombesa bo Medeama, Ombebo Hearts of Folk. I think Bibiani Gold Stars have a stiffer game as compared to Medeama. And with Medeama's good away record, as it stands now, for me, it's tilting towards Medeama. Then,
but Medeama Kotanko me. Now, so I mean, in last 2 or 3 games, you know,
drop your phone.
Or drop a point in the door. Well, then come on, watch him.
Is that good?
Before yearbook game, we are not watching 5 or so.
Yeah, they're 5.
They're 5.
They say
about 3.
Yeah.
That's an ama league in Asian, as an enemy. Because just a game.
Yeah, just one game.
One game.
One shiny, that's one money, Genie. Then you are going to
be a gonna yeah, can you good or travel? You're very good. But one game be able to travel. Now they are very good at home. Now they are closing up.
Are we accepting that Young Apostles Ebekwana? Because Young Apostles hohoi any 11 Wonders in that relegation bunker.
They say they clear 11 Wonders the is one ticket the head the hohoi likely almost bet me a call. But between Young Apostles, Chelsea, All Blacks, Dreams, even Nations FC. Nations Grand Nai.
Honestly, Tigika.
Nations Grand Nai. Because Nations 28.
And Paul.
Nations Grand Nai.
So 40 points, they secure will stay in the league. So it means that you need about the next 3 games.
From Bechema or that 10th, 29 winning the Nano. What be Diablo with next games if you are no between a coach for more. And the money at the end. But now it's clear. So, Tina, what's an answer about do Casse or no? Do also a draw at the tier house, which I mean, and on any day is good. So, we'll draw against house will go about Kotoko. But I'm not so sure, baby, or Dana. Kunyasa points in Indina.
Oh, yeah, Kebebuano.
Hanan Katima Kushin.
Kebebuano part to take him for it. Almost even Dreams. Same.
Yeah.
Some of the same. And Ghana Premier League, just when you're 40 points.
Sure.
Which, and it's like the account. Anna, in the last few weeks, Manchini, I'll be singing the praise of Coach Nurudin Amadu too much. But he's very good in this job. Which of Karela. Last season, Karela were here.
Nearly non-common qualification.
And that is how Nurudin Amadu that. That's like he's very meticulous. 38 points. I can't just only just 2 points were secure. And now he would have met his targets.
League no one budget.
Oh, baby, I'm a Medeama.
I
think they have a solid fortress at home. And like you said, Omokwa, so they're very good. They have a good side and fairly good side. I think the Baby Gold Stars team has been depleted, but very good job to be able to come back into the picture. It's a good job. But for me, it's still towards Medeama.
Joshua.
Me person me kakra for Hearts of Folk.
Okay.
For weekend